Everybody, we got the cool crew here today. Woo! I don't give a fuck what they say. They love you.
Is this going on YouTube, bro?
You're gonna put you on YouTube.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
They can't see you anyway.
No YouTube.
If they can't see me, I'm good.
Oh!
How's the sound looking?
It's a little dead. There's all the old people. Yeah,
It's fucking nice out.
all the old people are out eating dinner. And later on, all the young people come out, you know? There you go, some ladies.
Oh, yeah, it's big. Look at this place. These shapes got bougie. Did it always look like that? Or like,
updated all that greenery over there and shit?
did it always look like this? Like this? Like the sound like that?
No, not really. I mean, just recently.
You could just see like the way the pants are and shit.
They used to have the parking lot wide open there. You could park all your cars over there.
Yeah, I think they're redoing
It was so much better. I liked it when you could pull right in, pull out, speed through the parking lot. It was a lot of fun.
Look at that little vineyard.
Let's go, boys. Let's go, my chicks. Chicks, wake up.
Is the beat is out there or back to the bike?
He's probably gonna be a Claudio.
We're going to Claudio?
You know what?
I got a base.
Oh no, we're going.
We were out for a while. Yeah. What time was that?
Probably be out.
It's a fucking rally. We got like 6 hours. I'm definitely
And then you gotta stay like awake for the night.
bro, the guy, I fucking blacked out yesterday. It's weird. I can't drink it.
Tonight's gonna be a good night out here.
You think so?
Oh yeah. A lot of people hit me up to go to Claudio's tonight.
Nice.
So I'm like, I have to like move my ass to go to freaking Southampton, drop off at Sag Harbor, race back over here, pick up people, drop them off, go back to Sag Harbor, pick them up, bring them to Southampton, then come back here. In order to do like a million more calls.
How far away is Sag Harbor from you?
That's on the other fork.
So like how long does it take?
If I took Shelter Island, I could take Shelter Island, cut through. I could be there in like literally like about 35, 40 minutes.
Oh, you can drive to Shelter Island. You can take.
You could get on a ferry boat.
And you take this bus on the ferry boat.
Yep,
drive there?
I go over there. It'll cost me like $30, $40. That's like to just pretty much get across the island.
And then when you get to Shelter Island, you pick up people and then just take the ferry back over here.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good deal.
They got Sunset Beach over there. It's a nice place. You got to check out Sunset Beach.
Oh, Sunset Beach on Shelter Island.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
last week.
Really nice view.
It's like a hidden gem.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It's like you're going to Miami almost.
Yeah, legit. I feel like I'm in like Greece or some shit.
I'm like you're in the Mediterranean or something because it's like the water looks crystal blue.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I'm telling you, the vibes at that place is just like you're on vacation.
Another world,
Is there
man.
hotels or Airbnbs in Shelter Island?
Yeah, you got the Ram's Head. You got a couple places. You got Rams.
Oh yeah, Ram's Head.
There like Puerto Ricans out there?
Puerto Ricans are loved everywhere, brother. This is New York.
I just fucking around. Look at all those chickens.
Wow.
You know what video I'm talking about.
Oh my God, that's funny. I love those chickens. They're good. Shit, it's like going to Brentwood. The old chickens.
You don't go to Brentwood.
I go there sometimes.
You go to Brentwood sometimes?
Yeah.
For what?
Hold on. Hello?
Oh,
Hello?
I thought they were attendants.
Hello, how you doing? That's a me.